Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, EPV Media YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can learn the technical skill of a computer programmer and the prospects of various jobs and career opportunities that exist out there, and how you can create wealth for yourself as a computer programmer. And most important and exciting of all, I'm going to show you where and how you can learn computer programming for free on the internet. I've consistently been saying that the best thing to have to curb the unemployment situation all around the world, particularly in Africa, is to learn a technical, vocational or ICT skill. And I'm going to show you today how to learn one of such technical skills, that is computer programming, for free on the internet. I've consistently been saying that the internet provides a vast avenue for people to learn all manner of skills for free. But I've had people asking me how or where to go to learn some of these skills. In the subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you where exactly on the internet you can learn various technical, vocational and ICT skills for free. I will do the research. I'll provide you with the best places that you can learn these skills, and all you have to do is to go there and learn for free. And then within a few weeks or months or years, depending on the nature of the skill you want to learn, you become very skilled and knowledgeable in whatever technical or vocational or ICT skill it is that you prefer. There is one caveat I want to put though. Whatever technical, vocational or ICT skill that you want to learn, you must make sure that it is something that you will love to do. You must make sure that it's something that is natural to you, something that you will love doing, irrespective of whether you are making money immediately or not. Because there will be challenges, there will be difficult times, and what will keep you going is your desire, your interest to learn whatever skill it is. But what is computer programming? Before we get there, let me remind you once again that if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so now. You are missing out on a lot of information that can make you very skillful and employable. Just click on the red subscription button below at the corner there, and then you click on the post notification bell, and that is it. Anytime I upload any new video, you will be immediately informed. And don't forget to comment and share this video. Let's share so that as many people as possible get to hear about the kind of information we provided on this channel, so that they can upgrade themselves or learn new skills that will make them very, very employable and even in a position to employ others. So now, let me go and tell you what is programming and where you can learn computer programming for free on the internet. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Now, if you've been following the channel and watching my videos, you realize I've been emphasizing and bringing you content on how to learn technical, vocational and ICT skills that have a lot of job opportunities and that will make you very employable, enable you to create wealth for yourself, and the various opportunities that exist out there for you to put your skill to good use. You can click on the link that appears up here at the top here, and then go see all the various videos that I've done on various aspects of technical, vocational and ICT education and skills acquisition. Now, let's move on to what computer programming is about. What is computer programming? Computer programming, to put it in a layman's language, is simply to come out with a language or design a language which a computer can use to execute tasks. Those who do that are called computer programmers. Some also call it coding. There's a slight difference, but that's not what we're coming to talk about today. We're talking about those interested, in learning how to write in a language for a computer to execute a task. So for instance, any computer software or anything that you do on a computer is principally because somebody has programmed the computer to understand the language in which you communicate with the computer. So if you take any computer program, for instance, let's say Microsoft Word, anything you do, anything you click on, and the task that the computer executes for you is because you are communicating to the computer in a certain manner for the computer to understand what you want it to do. So that's the basic interpretation I can give to what computer programming is about. Writing a language, and there are a couple of technical languages that you can write a computer program in. It is writing a language or set of actions that a computer can take to execute a specific task. So all the programs that you see on computers, all the things that your iPhone or smartphone can do are all programs designed by somebody. So if you learn computer programming, what you can do is to design programs either to meet specific needs or to enhance other tasks that are already being done. So there are various avenues for you to be innovative as a computer programmer, and of course the opportunities that exist for you to be employed are vast and many. There are so many things you can get yourself involved in or employed or engaged in as a computer programmer. I would just like to mention a few, and let me emphasize there are so many and broad. Once you are a computer programmer, the avenues for you are so many. Let me just name a few. One, you can become a computer hardware engineer. Now this means that you attend to or manage the components that you see in a computer. Okay. The various components that makes up a computer or makes a computer run. You either manage or you can even start building computers for yourself. This computer you see here, was built by a computer programmer. It was custom built. It was made for me to meet a specific need, and I used somebody who knows how to build computers to do this. So you can be a computer hardware engineer, you can be a computer software engineer, you can be a web designer, a computer cybersecurity analyst. You can even enter into robotics. Now that's designing robots, because robots need a language they understand for them to execute the various tasks that will be required of them. Now these days, because everything is becoming digitalized, the need for people like computer programmers is increasing by the day. So once you acquire that skill, you have so many avenues for which to get yourself employed. You can even work from home as a computer programmer, or of course get yourself employed in the various industries that exist, from banking to medicine to finance to sports. Various fields need computer programmers or people who are conversant in computer hardware and software mechanics to employ. So there are various avenues in which you can branch to or specialize in as a computer programmer. And then people ask, how long would it take to learn computer programming or to become a computer programmer? Now this depends. It can range from as few as 3 or 4 months to a couple of years, depending on how you go about it and the route you take in acquiring that skill. Now, if you want to be self-taught, like I'm encouraging you to do, that is, you learn it by yourself on the internet, and you devote more hours a day to learning. Within a couple of months, 3 to 4 months, you can learn the skill and start using it to pursue whatever career or profession you want to do. But if you want to learn it the formal way, that's going to a school or be taught in an institution, it might take a little longer. And probably if you want to pursue a higher aspect of it, like a PhD, a master's and stuff like that, then it might take you a little bit longer. But whatever it is, you can learn computer programming at home, and I'm going to show you how, and I'll do that very soon. Now, to where you can learn computer programming for free. Now, I've done the research, and let me say that there are various and many avenues out there on the internet where you can learn computer programming for free, but I'm going to just mention 3. These are the 3 that I found useful, that I found that their content was quite comprehensive and which can give you the kind of skill that you need as a beginner. And as I said, before you proceed any further, make sure that this is a skill that you really love to do, or you really want to do, you are interested in, that is natural to you. Otherwise, it can get a little bit frustrating and difficult as you go along. One thing that will keep you going before you start making the money is the interest, the natural interest and affinity that you have for this skill. The number 3 channel or place that you can learn computer programming for free is Croat Code. CROATCODE. Croat Code. Just type that in your YouTube search, and then you go to the website, and they have a whole lot of courses, different aspects of computer programming for you to select from. They will provide you with all the necessary skills and knowledge that you need as a programmer. The second website or channel that I have discovered that can provide you with good facts and skills on computer programming is IntelliPath. IntelliPath spelled INTELLIPAAT. Now you go to this website and they provide a range of computer programming courses. You can then choose whichever one you want to start with or whichever one you want to learn. But my number 1 website or channel for you to learn computer programming is freecodecamp.org or freecodecamp. Just type in freecodecamp. That is FREECODECAMP. Freecodecamp. They provide the most comprehensive courses or tutorials on computer programming that I've come across. They do this not only for computer programming, but various aspects of learning about computers, of becoming an expert in computer language, computer code writing, and various other aspects about gaining skills in digitalization. So Freecodecamp is my number 1 choice for you to learn computer programming. But of course, there are other and many other channels or websites where you can learn computer programming for free. If there are any other channels or websites where you can learn comprehensive computer programming for free, let me know. Just put it in the comments. Let's discuss it, and I'll go there, investigate it, and of course let you all know. So these are the 3 channels or websites where you can learn computer programming for free. In the coming weeks, I'm going to be telling you about various technical, vocational, and ICT skills that you can learn for free on the internet. A whole array of skills that you can learn and get yourself very employable. In the meantime, don't forget to comment and then share this video so that as many people as possible out there who lack the information to get some skills for themselves will get to know the various opportunities that exist out there, and then of course get themselves some skills and get themselves some employment and get some money coming in for they themselves and their families. And please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the red subscription button below and then click on the post notification bell, and that will enable you be informed whenever we upload any new video. Thank you very much. I'll be coming out with another video on another technical, vocational, and ICT skill that you can learn for free on the internet. The opportunities are just amazingly available for free on the internet. I'll see you very soon.